High scale guys, today we have Rice Lake indicator 380. This is brand new indicator with a brand new platform, so we need to put all the settings which we need. First of all, we need to unscrew these 4 bolts, open the indicator. Here we have calibration jumper, says Cal. It should be removed. So I just put it on the one pin, not to lose the jumper. And then we turn on the indicator by pressing. And now you push and hold this button. It was too early, I should turn it off again. Turn on the indicator and press this 0 button like for 1 second. And to go to this menu which you see here, it can be setup, it can be configuration, it can be calibration, any of them. To go in this menu you should press gross button. To go out from this menu back you should press 0 button. Here you have errors. To move to the next, and Terra to confirm. So we need to go to the setup mode, go configuration capacity, we press again, go in. The capacity is 100 kgs. We can change this capacity by pressing this arrow, and we can change it to 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever we need. And we can make it 1000 by pressing units button and move here. So we will need 100 kgs, it will okay. To confirm this I press the button. Now it's asking us about decimal point. You can move decimal point here, here. We will need only 1. We confirm it by pressing Terra button. We don't need any here, so we go back. We don't need configuration, we need format. Go on by pressing this button. And this is format with decimal point. We press again. Oh, it was primary format. Yeah, we press again, and we need 8112. So we need to change it to 2 and confirm it. So we will have 1 decimal point. And to confirm it, we press Terra button. Now we have units. We press to go to units. We press this. We need kgs, it's okay. Now we go back. This was primary format. Then we go next to the secondary format. We go to the secondary format. It's counting by 5. We will make it we will leave it 5. So we confirm it, press Terra button. Units, we go in pounds, confirm it, enable, confirm it, on, so we can change the units. And now we go back again until we don't see setup. We go in setup and we go with errors to calibration. To go to the calibration, we press gross net button. It's asking us about 0 calibration. We go here and asking us please wait. Now it's calibrating 0. It's calibrated 0, it's okay. We press Terra button. Now it's asking about count, 0 counts. We go here and confirm this number. Don't change it, just confirm it. Now it's asking us about the value of calibration. I will use 20 kgs. You can switch it by pressing, I guess, this button to move the flashing digit, and it can be like 120, 220, or it can be 20, or you can move it here and make it 30. So, and we will confirm that when we calibrate, we will put 20 kgs. This is the weight which you will put when you will calibrate. So if you put different weight, you should put here the number of primary units, which are kgs, and put this weight on the platter when it shows calibration. So we confirm this. We confirmed the decimal point. Now it's asking calibration. So we put the 20 kgs on the platter. Go to the span calibration by pressing gross net button and asking us about weight. So we calibrated, it's okay. We press error button. Now it's asking about the calibration counts. We should again go to this and don't change this number, just confirm it. This is liner calibration, we don't need it. We need to re-zero it. So we move the weight. And press gross net button. It's calibrate 0. Okay, we press error button. Last 0, we go here, it's okay. And temporary 0, which is also okay. So we calibrate them. Now to go out from this menu, you should press 0 button, back to the calibration, then back to setup, and back to the weight mode. And we have 10 kgs here, 20 here, 20 here, and calibration is done.